Howdy.
Howdy.
Shalom, Jesse. Good day, lad.
Hello there.
Huh?
Good day.
It's always a good day.
Fair enough. Yeah, fellas.
Let's get,
Lovely rifle.
oh, no, it was cheap as chips.
Where we going, mate?
Just
Northern Outpost. Northern Outpost?
Northern Outpost shit.
VIP.
Oh no! Let's shoot the fucking VIP quickly.
Yes, I'm here to kill.
Where's the VIP gone? Northern Outpost.
Outpost.
Oh dear.
That's where we were, Matthew.
That is where we were. Yes, up there, north. That go round CQB,
We're not better off going away with
and then it's that side of CQB.
Matthew. We've got to get through CQB. We're going Northern Outpost. We've got to go round.
Yeah. Oh, that's true, because they're not going to be here, are they?
Racing at the other side of the village.
We might as well just go that way.
If you go through there, you're just going to get shot at by the last, there's a couple of guys in the last hut.
If we're coming, break off the attack. The shield is still up.
I get no reading. Are you sure?
Pull up! All craft, pull up!
Take a base of action. Green group, still across the holding sector of each other.
Admiral, we have enemy ships in sector 47.
Okay.
It's going to keep picking you up if you go through it.
Let's not do that then.
Son! Nothing else in the world smells like that. I love the smell of napalm in the morning.
Is that smoke?
Yeah.
Oh, it smells nice. Ah, love that smell. Bernie. There's someone sitting there. Is he here? Is he ours? Watch out, my friend. There's one there. One. All right. Okay.
What's missiles? They are in missiles.
What?
What? Missiles. That's where they are.
What? They're in missiles. Which miles away? Not going through there.
Guys, small detachment to go after missiles. Keep going to northern.
Your move, creep.
I couldn't get him before he shot me. Sorry. No, right in the fucking midsection.
Ow!
Out of all the arms he could have hit. Go there. Okay. Out of all the arms he could have hit.
I don't like this.
You're going in first.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
You're young. You're first in. Oh, are we walking towards a man with a gun? No. Ah, you're going the wrong way, man.
Wrong way. You're going the wrong way. That's our spot. Red.
You want to go that way. You go back that way. That's our way.
Hill 60.
Otherwise you'll be in for a lot of pain. Oh, hang on. This one. Oh, there he is. There he is. Come on, keep going, keep moving. No time to stop. We need to go and kill that VIP. Hit! What is it, 40 metres or whatever? 40. Oh!
Not anymore, not anymore. Used to. New rules, Chaplain. You've got loads of reds on your left. Just concentrate what's in front of you and what's on the right. Full CQB.
Did he, Mal? This is where I got shot in the chest. Come on, Ethan. Point, man.
Oh, Volacadabra! Come on, lad, give her a good push. Oh, you fucking lead it then. I might not have a brain, guys, but I do have an idea. Just fucking bum rush it.
Yeah.
Be the best idea.
Watch out!
Ain't a bad idea.
Come here. Don't fucking look at me. I'm going. Yeah, come on, you two. Oh,
What's your left?
You're 12, guys. You're 12.
Red thingy moving toward the green thingy.
What?
Red thingy moving toward the green thingy. I think we're the green thingy.
What's up with that?
I'm rushing. Leroy Jenkins goes. 3, 2, 1. Fucking for Mordor.
On your left, mate. On your left. On your left side.
How far did he get?
If I was you, go with this lot and go around the back of CQB. You've got a couple of people posted up in the front of it.
Yep.
That went terrible. Oh, it's such a long fucking walk now. It wasn't terrible. We got back 15 foot further. Yeah.
Oh.
On the edge.
They ain't alive no more. That's...
Holy shit!
It's all gone quiet.
The guns have stopped because we're about to attack. Not even our generals are mad enough to shell their own men. They think it's far more sporting to let the Germans do it.
So we are, in fact, going over. This is, as they say, it.
I'm afraid so. Unless I can think of something very quickly.
Company, 1, pace, forward.
Oh, there's a nasty splinter on that ladder, sir. A bloke could hurt himself on that.
Stand, ready.
I have a plan, sir.
Really, Bulrick? A cunning and subtle one?
Yes, sir.
As cunning as a fox who's just been appointed Professor of Cunning at Oxford University?
Yes, sir.
On the signal, company will advance.
Well, I'm afraid it'll have to wait. Whatever it was, I'm sure it was better than my plan to get out of this by pretending to be mad. I mean, who would have noticed another madman around here? Good luck, everyone.
So we need to get round this. I'm going to try and go through. Hey. Right.
Better than he was before. Better, stronger, faster.
I'm at CQB, guys.
There are a lot of explosions for two people blending in.
Freeze! Right there!
I should have got him if he was down in there still.
What's your window?
Clear.
We've got another nade going down, I think. Yeah, we've got another nade going down. I'm watching the corner. So windows Matthew on the left.
Clear. Clear. I'd go round. Go round, buddy. Red.
Hey, Doc, we better back up. We don't have enough road to get up to 88.
Roads? Where we're going, we don't need roads.